Thank you for purchasing a RFA detector. I will explain the components of the detector packaging box, the detector, and other peripheral devices. I will also explain the basic connection method of the detector, which is a wired connection using a cable, and how to register the detector in RayinView and use it in exam mode. When you open the box, the first compartment contains the following components. Among these, the most important ones are the power control box, HDMI tether cable, and USB dongle for using RayinView. And there is a LAN cable that connects the power control box and the PC, and a CD that contains the software and manual. Next, in the middle of the box is the packaged detector. In this video we will demonstrate a 17 by 17 Wi-Fi enabled detector. Finally, for the wireless enabled detector, the bottom of the box contains the following: Wi-Fi router, battery charger and adapter, and battery pack. These components are not included in the wired model. Now, let's learn how to connect the detector and PC in wired mode. Plug the AC power cable into the power plug and connect it to the adapter. Then, connect the adapter cable to the external power socket. When power is connected, a blue LED lights up. Next, connect the HDMI tether cable to the power control box. Then connect the other end of the cable to the detector and tighten the bolt. Press the detector power on/off switch to turn on the detector, and a green LED on the power control box will light up. Next, plug the LAN cable into the power control box. Finally, connect the other end of the LAN cable to the Gigabit Ethernet port on your PC or laptop. Please also plug in the USB dongle at this time. In the case of wired models, power is immediately supplied to the detector by pressing the DP switch on the power control box. In the case of detectors that support Wi-Fi mode, power is supplied to the detector by additionally pressing the power button on the detector for about 1 second. We need to change the IP of the Ethernet port of the PC connected to the detector. Please change the IP of your PC as shown on the screen and apply. Enter the IP and subnet mask of your PC's Ethernet as instructed on the screen and click the OK button to close the window. The PC and detector are now ready to be connected in wired mode. Next, we need to add a detector in RayinView. Click the Setting button and enter the device menu. As shown in the guidance text on the screen. Enter any detector name. Then enter the IP address and port of the detector. Select the size according to the installed detector type. Click the Add button to add a detector. The detector is added to in the detector list. Then click Apply to save the settings. And click the Worklist button on the right to exit. To enter exam mode, simply enter patient information by clicking the Create Worklist button. Click the Modify Exam Order button to select the body part to obtain the X-ray image. Press the Start Exam button to enter exam mode. At this time, the PC and detector will attempt to connect to the network. Once the connection is complete, you will see a green Ready button at the bottom. In the next video, we'll learn about detector calibration.